Hi guys, today we're gonna assemble this phone called Samsung e1205. So we need a SIM card first to insert a battery. Okay. This SIM card is very expired. I don't know where did I get this one. Okay, let's insert. So difficult to insert. Whoa, there we go. And then my SIM card is working. Working SIM card. Insert here. Wait. Okay. Let's put an SD card. Like this. Look how small it is. Oh. Okay, we're gonna insert the battery. BL5C 3.7 volts, 1020 mAh. Okay. It works. So the date today is October 23. So we're gonna wait until it's 12:56. Okay. Okay. And then we did it. We assembled it. This phone is very durable. Drop test, okay. Let's see how durable is this phone. 3, 2, 1. No. Works fine. No signs of damage. So I recommended it. Cool. Bye guys.